Be blessed by the divine. Here is a beautiful meditation to connect you with the divine. Ask yourself, what are you? Are you the body? Okay, let's take the body. The body is comprised of millions of cells. Each cell is comprised of molecules. A molecule is comprised of atoms. Atoms are comprised of electrons, protons, neutrons. But those electron, protons, neutrons comprise of only 1% of the volume of an atom. 99% of the atom is empty space. Our Guru Sri Yogiraj Vedatri Maharishi said that empty space is the almighty divine space. There's another way of looking at this. Ask yourself, where did you inherit your life force from? You came from your parents. So your father's life force, your mother's life force brought you together. Ask yourself again, where did they get their life force from? Their parents? Where did they get it from? So go back all the way up to the first human being. Perhaps the first human being was born from an animal. Where did that animal get its life force from? Perhaps from a 4-sense animal, to a 3-sense bird, to a 2-sense insect, to a 1-sense plant, all the way back from an amoeba, the whole world has evolved. This little amoeba, where did that come from? If you look at the entire universe, take the earth for instance, or any celestial body, it is comprised of Akash, the energy particles, air, fire, water and earth, the Panchabhutas. The fundamental Buddha of the remaining 4 Buddhas is the Akash, the energy particles. So essentially we come down to the same thing, the energy particles and the almighty space, the self-compressive surrounding space that powers every single subatomic energy particle, even within an atom, is the ultimate divine force. So where is God? Well, this force is the godliness, this is the goodness, this is the divine force. And it is this divine force which is all permeable, all penetrative, surrounding pressure force, which unifies the entire universe, which has transformed itself into the energy particles, into the atoms, the molecules, into the Panchabhutas, into the life forms, and finally has evolved as your parents and you and me. So we are the divine force. But here it is in a fractional state. We do not have the same capacity of creation, protection and destruction of the primordial force in its untransformed, unevolved state. But in this transformative state, we have limited powers to create what we want to create in our life. Hold on to this thought, hold on to this power and connect with that power. Go to the subtle levels of the frequency as you go to alpha, to theta, to delta, between 1 and 3 cycles per second. Instead of the emotional states of higher frequency above 14, 20, 30, etc., then you will realize the truth. You will become one with that almighty divine force. This is possible through the Vedatri Sky Yoga system. Contact one of our centers, learn this. We're all volunteers, we have no material gain to get from this. Certainly, we hope to see you in our next workshop. Good luck, be blessed by the divine.